Hey, good afternoon. This is Brian Schumann coming to you from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV here in beautiful Belton, Missouri. Today we want to showcase a really nice trade we just got in. This is a 2015 Itasca Ellipse 42QD. This coach is in really nice shape, and I can't wait to show you some of the features on it. I think it's really unique. There's some features on it that, again, I haven't seen in an Itasca lately, or even some other coaches that we've had here in the lot. This coach has about 24,134 miles on it is all. It's got your 8.9 ISL Cummins engines with your Allison 3000 MH 6-speed transmission. Solid chassis, solid powertrain all the way through this. So let's go around this coach and I'll show you some of the features on this Itasca. One of the things that's kind of hard to see just from filming is how clean this is and how good the paint is on it. You obviously have a mask on the front, which is protecting it anyway, but just looking at it, you know, there's no digs and divots or anything like that from bugs or rocks. So I think the drivers did an excellent job of just either staying out of the way of things or just avoiding stuff. But it's really, really clean paint. You have your side cameras that are mounted in your stainless steel rearview mirrors, along with your convex mirror, but again, that enables you to see all the way down the side of your coach. As you can see, you have a generous sized door awning with LED lights over it. And as we go around the coach, I want you to pay attention because you're going to see these fixtures that are both over the windows and over the tires, where again, these owners have taken the time to buy and install those covers, so when the coach is not being used or stored, they're protecting the wheels and light from coming in addition to the shades. This is on a Freightliner chassis, like I said, Allison transmission. And as we go around here, I want you to see how generous the storage bays are. You can see you have a Dirt Devil central vac system. You've got extended ladders and a nice cargo tray that goes all the way across, easily accessible from both sides, and that bottom drawer or bottom shelving unit, which again enables you to separate some items from the top that you don't need. There's some extra tiles in there, which is something that's nice to see in a coach of this age where people have kept everything and maintained. Exterior TV that pulls out, LG with the remote. So you have outside entertainment. You can see your exterior awning that'll come across the kitchen area, as well as your slide toppers. As you come back, you have a nice deep storage bay opposite your water storage. And this is kind of a neat outside kitchen area. You've got induction cooktop with a nice size fridge and storage, LED lights so you can see what you're doing, and this is all slides back in and retracts. So you even have a place for paper towels if you want to. So it's kind of neat to see a Class A with an outside living, outside kitchen area like this. Again, the pictures don't do it justice and the video won't do it justice, but as I look at this coach, I can see like no scratches on the paint. So again, these people have done an excellent job avoiding trees or any kind of low-hanging fruit, so to speak, that could have marred the paint. So I really, really like the condition of this coach. Coming back here, again, you can see more of these toggles that, again, enable them to cover their tires. And the tires are in excellent shape. You've got parking lights, an extended ladder that comes part with it. And as you come around to the back, you can see where the ladder would go to. This is on your 450 horsepower ISL engine. Again, plenty of power to get this coach moving and tow whatever you need. And speaking of towing, it already comes with a Roadmaster tow bar, which also has an air supply back too for a braking system. It's a 15,000 pound hitch, by the way. And that quick connect air makes it really, really easy to connect your stacker trailer or your braking system for a car or a Jeep. Coming around this side, you have your your chassis batteries, some of your fuses, your DEF fluid, and what I want to point out on this side also were the optional awnings that are on this coach that are overseeing your bedroom, your bathroom, and your living room area. So you can see how you have extra awning space that'll come down and clip right here as you need them individually. Coming into your water bay, all the amenities you need there, an outside shower, filter, paper towel dispenser. This coach has hydronic heating. So you have a 450 aqua-hot system, so you're going to have plenty of water. It's an on-demand system. And again, you're going to enjoy that warmth that comes from an aqua-hot system versus a heat or just a hot furnace. This coach has a 10,000 watt Onan generator. Here's the other side of your slide and your storage trays. And here's some of those covers that the previous owner used around his wheel wells. This coach also has three 13,500 BTU ACs on it with 2 heat pumps and 3 condensers. So plenty of air conditioning and comfort control. 3 thermostat regions in this coach. So again, a lot of opportunity to tailor your living and your climate for the different areas of the coach. Your front bay, again, shows you more of the breakers and electronics that you need. And again, illustrating the back side cameras and toggle clips for your covers for your windows. And of course, there's even one on the front windshield, which again looks really, really clean. So this is the outside of this Itasca 42 GD, 2015, about 24,000 miles. Let's come inside and show you some of the unique amenities on this coach. Okay, so now we're back inside this 2015 Itasca Ellipse. Again, Brian Schumann coming to you from Belton, Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV. And the first thing that's neat is that you get a necking knob on this wheel. And this is on a Freightliner chassis, but it makes it very, very easy to drive and steer with one hand if you happen to have a drink in the other, or you have to reach for something. But again, very, very comfortable, nice leather wrapped steering wheel. This has Ram McNally navigation, lots of connectivity. It has all your Wi-Fi and everything you need. You can get your different radio stations on here and a full array of connectivity that you need. Push button start. All your Allison transmission gears are over here. Your hydraulic LCI electric hydraulic leveling system is over here, and plenty of toggle switches, so you have full command of your captain's chair and of the cockpit. Very comfortable seats. These are flex steel, which again I wish they would continue to make in RVs, but they're not. But look at the black dash, kind of padded, kind of a walnut finish here. It just looks very, very nice and very rich for an Itasca Ellipse. And again, the seats are in excellent shape. So I want to make sure you saw that before we went back. You have plenty of storage up overhead. Here's your HDMI and your LG Blu-ray disc player. Lots of storage all the way around. So again, something for everything and everything for something, as you need in the coach. And the carpet is nice, keep things quiet, also keep things from moving. As you come back here, you can see you have a large Sony TV coupled by your fireplace and your lounge chair, which again reclines. You have a nice window here for reading, and you also have a pull-out table that again enables you to do some laptop work or reading, or just plain eating if you're having your front seats turned around. You have guests gathered here in the living room, which really is really generous. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5, 6 people can sit here, 7 in here. That's not including your table and chairs. And I'll show you some amenities over here that I think you need to see. But it's kind of a neat table, very sturdy, easy to pull out, put away, lock into place, and have the freedom you need to get up and get out when you need to. Your ottomans, again, padded on one side, the other side. You have plenty of storage inside, and you can turn it over and use that as a TV table also. So if you have little ones that want to eat here, you have, again, a place that's easy to clean up if you want to. Cup holders here, cup holders back over on the side over here. And then you have this unique electric couch that has 2 sets of controls, where it's a reclining couch, which will keep going to be a bed both here and here independently or collectively. And again, using your ottoman, if you just want to recline and have your feet on the ottoman, you can do that and watch your game, your series, your Netflix, whatever you want to do. But you have a power control for this one right here, and another one back over by the window, right by the cup holders. And then again, if you have extra people in the coach, this will slide out to make it like a J lounge. Come all the way out, this pops up, Your sofa back comes over here, and now you have a nice J lounge for more seating, or if you want to lounge, make it like a love seat to watch, again, a nice evening flick with your spouse or partner. So I really like the design of this Itasca. It's very, very comfortable living. As you come into the dining room area, you've got a table and chairs, which again will fold out, give you some added length for more storage, some more eating area, more storage and counter space. Very easy to function, very easy to move. Across from there in your galley, kitchen area, you have a dishwasher, induction cooktop, you have a pull-out counter, nice generous sized sinks with your spigot that can be movable. And I do like the fact that you've got counter space, again, for your spices, cooking needs, amenities, quick grab type of things once we are at the campground. And again, in both of these and all of these, they're carpeted, both here and up here, with trays that'll slide out and lock in place. All the way along here, as you look at this, you have cabinet space all the way along here and on the other side over by the TV. So you've got ample space. What I like about it too is that it opens up, but it's all connected. So if you have a long or elongated item, maybe a long cook pan or a broiler or something like that, plenty of space to put longer items in. And if you remember where they are, just open up a small door to get them out. Also, as we're observing this, you notice you got windows on both sides and the side of your slide, as well as over your kitchen and your table and chairs. So again, when the slides are up, and we always film the slides down, the shades down, so we can get a good lighting in here. But lots of light will come in here between that and the front window. Well, as we come back, this is a bath and a half model. And I think this is a very generous sized half bath with a recessed sink, a nice sized mirror, vanity mirror, and storage. Places for like a washcloth, hand towel. Again, nice porcelain backsplash on both tile of the kitchen as well as in the half bath. And it's the matching decor in there. Porcelain toilet. And a door that's such that when the slides are in, you can still go to the bathroom and you can still grab a beverage out of your fridge. So again, you have a full-size Whirlpool refrigerator. And right next to it is a really unique pantry. It locks in. So once you unlock it, you have a neat tray apparatus here where things will stay where they're supposed to stay. And you have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 racks of that. And then check this out. You've got shelving units here that can change in height. And you've got drawers that are not only lengthy, but also relatively deep that lock in place. So again, you could have cooking utensils, spices, short bags of items that you can use. And there's 3 drawers there, plus 2 more down below. So really a clever pantry galley amenity that I haven't seen in a lot of coaches. And I think Itasca did a nice job with that. And again, it's very accessible to the galley. Right across from that is your control panel with your slides, your aqua-hot, engine heater, slide controls, your temperature, which again, I said there's 3 different zones of temperature control in here, and your power systems, all at your fingertips. As you come into the bedroom, the master bedroom, you have a ceiling fan, a nice crown molding up above, adds a nice rich feel. You have 2 very generous wardrobes that actually go to the side, so not just straight in, but you have room on both sides where they go in, and should be able to allow you to hang and bring all necessary wardrobe items you need, including 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers in your dresser. Nice little counter space to get ready right below your TV. And you have a tilt bed, an incline bed with charging abilities on both sides of your nightstands. And again, still storage up above, still carpeted, so things will stay hopefully quiet and not move around as much during your trip. But a very generous size master bedroom. As you come into the master bathroom, towel racks, porcelain toilet, big window, and your stackable washer and dryer at your fingertips. Across from that is your very generous sized shower, including a bench to shave on. I like the translucent skylight. A nice shower head, I like the size of that. And just a nice flow to the shower, so I think it'll be easy to clean and plenty of space to get in. And then you have your really deep, if you can see in there how deep those cabinets are for your linen. I suspect you could put towels in there as well as wash items and bathing items. There's a lot in there with just the one cabinet, and of course then you have your own other makeup and vanity storage areas behind your mirrors, as well as an access point to your washer and dryer if you need it. Notice it's the same backsplash as we saw in the half bath, as well as in the kitchen area, and again storage down below. Okay, so again, in this 42 GD 2015 with about 24,000 miles in it, I think you get a lot of amenities, a lot of options, a lot of unique characteristics that make it for a very functional coach, very comfortable coach of both you and your family, with sleepability, loungeability, and again, amenities such as a fireplace, big TV, and a nice living room area. I think this is a super coach. Please check it out. We'll have these pictures and video online in a few moments. Give me a call. Again, it's Brian Schumann at Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV, 816-892-5945. We're still looking at buying coaches, probably 2015 or newer. If you have one, give us a call. We'd be happy to give you a buy bid. I'll be in touch. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.